Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Windows Live Movie Maker onto your Windows 11 computer. So with Windows 10, they removed this, and you might be familiar with it back from Windows 7 and Windows 8 and earlier versions of Windows. Well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download it as a standalone application. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but we're going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial. And I'm going to have a link in the description of the video, guys, to a Major Geeks hosted file here. So go ahead and paste it into your URL address bar. So we're going to go ahead and download this application. It's about 130 megabytes, so just be patient. It'll take a moment to download. And once it's done downloading, just go ahead and open it up to run it. You can minimize or close out the web browser as well. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And give it a moment here. You want to go ahead and select where it says choose the programs you want to install. And you can uncheck everything here except for Photo Gallery and Movie Maker. And then select install. Okay, so once that's done, select close. And if you open up the search and you search for a Movie Maker, you should be able to have that app load up perfectly. So we're just going to give it a moment here to load up. You're going to have to accept the end user license terms, and it should work perfectly fine. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.